Welcome back to the kitchen. I'm Busy Dad. I've just cooked up the most amazing hot sauce. Let's see how we do it. You join me in the kitchen where we're going to make a hot pepper sauce. If you've seen my channel, you've seen some version of this before. This is a little bit different. Today, it's October in New England, and even though it is late October, the garden is still producing stuff. Problem is, it's also about to be a frost in a day or two, so I figured I better pick everything. And fact is, we've got Hungarian wax peppers, pretty spicy. I chopped one of these up for a stir fry and it was too spicy. Jalapeno, known. Thai peppers, really spicy, and I need to do something with these, so we're making hot sauce. The great thing about hot sauce is, if it's too hot, you add less to your dish. If it isn't hot enough, you add more. So, fairly straightforward. First thing we're going to do, chop up these peppers, onion, garlic. Let's move over to the sink over here, and you can see how I chop these up. So nothing can really be simpler than chopping a pepper. Get your knife, kind of go around the top, dig the knife in to get all of this inside, and then kind of just push it out. Sometimes this goes more smoothly than others. This one wasn't super smooth. Let's grab another one. Number 2. There we go. That bit I took out of the middle, that's the spiciest part. It's also got all these seeds. Most people, you know, if you're eating a pepper sauce, don't really like chowing down on the seeds. Once we've got everything chopped up, it looks something like this. And we're going to add all of this to our pot, about a half a cup of white vinegar. Other types of vinegar are possible. White vinegar is the basis for a lot of hot sauce. All of this goes in the pot here. And we're just going to steam that along with some ground up sea salt, maybe a little bit more. We're going to steam this covered just until those cook through and they're ready to go into the blender. The last ingredient in this hot sauce is lemon. I'm going to show you a little trick. You're probably familiar if you just squeeze this lemon, all of these little seeds, or pips as some people might call them, are going to go into whatever you got. Easy solution. It's just a kitchen strainer, and it's so simple. Look, squeeze on top of it. Juice goes in, seeds don't. And of course we want to use clean hands when we're doing all of this work. There we go. Seeds here, juice below. When this comes out of the blender, here's what it looks like. Whoa. It smells amazing. And now we gotta try it. And of course, that's going to be a little spicy, so I'm going to put some of this on my lunch. Alright, so lunch today is just a quick fry up. Chicken, collards, beans, quinoa. Let's give this a shot. I don't want to try this hot sauce by itself. Wow. Oh, it tastes great. I always love trying what I made here. I feel like I need to add a little bit more of this. I need a clean spoon though. So this is a great sauce. It's tangy, it's got a little bit of lemon flavor. It's full of fresh pepper flavors from the garden. I really love making this. I make this all summer and in the winter with jalapenos and habaneros and sweet peppers that I buy from the supermarket. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this inspires you to make something delicious for lunch or dinner for yourself. Remember, cooking can be easy, can be fun, can be something that you do because you like it and you like eating. If you like this content, click like, subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, or tell me in comments below what you'd like to see. And then join me next time. I'm Busy Dad. is cooking.